be working on telling time. So in your packets that you'll pick up at school is a clock kit so they can make their own clock to work on it. So I'm just going to show you quickly how to put it together. So first you're going to start by cutting the green clock out. This has your minutes on it. Then the green circle you're going to glue onto your plate. In the middle. It'll fit nice and snug right on your plate. Then you're gonna go ahead and cut out the hours. And if you notice on the hours, there's dotted lines. You're gonna cut on all those lines. So you're just gonna cut up the dotted lines. So you have little doors. And then you're gonna cut out your arrows. Remind the kids that the blue arrow is your second hand and the red arrow is your, I'm sorry, your blue arrow is your minute hand and your red arrow is your hour hand. So I'm gonna cut those out. Sorry, And in your kit, there was a little brad to assemble them all together. So after you're done cutting out your arrows, I would layer them on top of your hour face. So the red one first, so red, and then the blue, and then put it right at the dot in the middle. Kind of cover it, make sure it's touching your 12 and then covering it. And then I would work my brad through the first 3 layers. And sometimes it's easy and sometimes it's not. So if you have here's all my teacher supplies at my side here. So I have a little X-Acto knife. So I'm just gonna take the X-Acto knife and kind of start the hole. And then I'm gonna lay these on top and do the poke it from the back to put the holes, well, maybe put the holes in the arrows to kind of help out there. And then work your brad through those holes. Hopefully. while you're poking holes, put one right through the plate too. That way, excuse me, you'll won't have to do it again. Okay. Now I got my holes so I can line this all up. Put the brad through. You are not going to glue the white to the green. You're just going to attach it all with the brad. So work the brad through your green layer in your paper plate, making sure that all, like your 6 is lined up with your 30, your 12 is lined up with your 0, 0. If not, don't tighten it down till you make sure that's all lined up. See, mine isn't, so I gotta move it a little bit so that they're all lined, and then you can just tighten your brad down. And then this, and I believe in lesson 12, we're gonna be talking about hours and minutes. So that's when you'll use your clock. But this way the kids can also practice telling time throughout the day, or you can do little activities. And then what you do, so if you want to say, okay, it's 12:30. Oops, I might have made mine a little too tight. Don't tighten it all the way because you want it to be able to move back and forth. So, you know, kind of play with it a little bit. But, so if you want it to be 12:30, it goes between the 1, and then they can take their minute hand all the way down to the 6, but they can also lift the door and say, oh, yup, it's 12:30. So I hope this helps. Have a great day. Bye.